2017 Chevrolet Trax. The Trax is tiny on the outside, but remarkably spacious within. It comes with clean and modern interiors and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, speed control, front license plate bracket, front wheel independent suspension, rear window defroster, rear window wiper, Sirius satellite radio. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.